Here we are now at the Experience Factory Eupen with the second race of the DMC Championship. This video is certainly a little bit different because we have two perspectives, mine and that from Liam, a slightly faster driver. The race format is a 6-minute long qualifying with a 20-minute race. First this direction, as you can see right now, and then in the other. So, while Liam is trying to warm up his tires in the outlap, we'll take a look at our both hot laps. Because the session was so short, just a 6-minute qualifying, we actually hadn't a lot of time to set a fast lap. Yeah, so let's take a look. I'm actually slightly in front over here, following the driver in front. Still slightly in front, but Liam has gained on me. But there, as you can see, I got actually overtaken on my hot lap, which cost me about 6 or 7 tenths. The problem is, because we have such a short qualifying of like 6 minutes, that was actually my fastest lap. Because the lap I did before was fast, but the tires weren't warm up already. So that's where I lost the most of my time. Going nicely through there. Hitting the apex. And then going full throttle through the chicane to end the lap. Well, I end up with a 1 minute 3.972 in P18. Liam actually managed to end up on a 1 minute 3 second .441 with a P11. Because we have a flying start, we're lining up, then having a little break till everyone is ready. So as you can see, Liam and myself having a little chat about how the kart feels and what the strategy is, and yeah, wishing us luck. So, here we are now, formation lap. We are all trying to warm up our tires as best as possible. Skip directly to the race start. So, here we are now on Leah's perspective. Got actually a pretty fast race start. The tire backfield wasn't even lined up correctly, but yeah, nothing we can do about. Being directly behind the guy with the card number 35 in P11 on the first lap. Pointing with his finger, so he wasn't actually very happy about the move. And then Liam gets attacked by the guy with the blue suit. 5, pushing the guy in front because I was desperately trying to overtake him. I had clearly more pace, but it wasn't possible to this point. My kart felt a bit weird because if I would let go my steering wheel, it just wiggling around. I think it has something to do with the front axle. Maybe it wasn't lined up perfectly. So here we are on lap 6, with Liam being directly behind the guy in number 26. Liam still in his starting position P11. There is the guy in the blue suit again, trying to dive bomb Liam and overtake him. So there we are in my perspective on lap 9, also being dive bombed by the guy in the yellow suit. I will actually have a great battle with him later, so watch out. Eventually, 2 laps later, he dive bombed me, which made me lose a position, but as you can see, I let him space, but it wasn't enough to overtake me, so I gained the position back, raising my hand to apologize for it. One lap later, eventually, he dive bombed me again, and this time I let him pass because he's very fast, and I thought, as you can see, he has also the strategy to push and gaining on the guys in front. Eventually, 2 laps later, we gained a lot because I was pushing him over the straights and gaining in the slipstream. There, as you can see, I actually slipped through the gap and gained both positions, as you can see, I was very happy about. There's Liam again, getting pushed by the guy with the blue suit. Finally get overtaken by him, number 14. And Liam is now in P12. After a few laps, nothing really happened. I finished in P17 and Liam finished in a lonely P12. So, as you can see, having a quick chat with the guy in the yellow suit I battled before. The second qualifying in the other direction, actually my seat came loose, which was kind of weird, but yeah, nothing I could do about. So I fixed it and went straight back on. But now, let's take a look at our both hot laps. Liam on the right side, myself on the left side. You see, my kart was hard to say, but it was so oversteery over the whole session. It was very hard to control. As you can see, Liam already being, I would say, half a second in front. Also there, me getting a big slide. Just didn't have the feeling for the kart. Hopping very hard to this corner, hitting the apex, which lost me like 1/10 again. With a 1 minute 3.517 I managed to get in P16, and Liam with a 1 minute 3.163 managed to get into P12. Let's head straight to the formation lap. Liam 4 places in front, me 4 places in the back, trying to warm up the tires again. The black stripe on the right side is because of an hair elastic I put around the GoPro to hold it in the case. Here we are now, race start. Yeah, I'm getting a nice start with a close distance to the guy in front, the number 16 on P12. Giving him a little push. But there's a guy called Andre Krumbacher. He's actually very fast, even though he's a bit older, but he's one of the fastest guys on track. Liam now in P13. Same lap. Andre getting another position. And another position. So myself on the second lap. Also watching the carnage in front. With Klaus, the number 21, dive bombing. Maybe that wasn't fair, but I thought I gained 2 positions. Also very happy about it. But eventually, with this oversteer cut, it was very hard to get through the corners. As you can see, a lot of scrubbing. Klaus getting back and overtakes me on the inside. Fair move, to be honest. Trying to defend my position. Now in P15. Then this move. He just completely shunted into me, and that wasn't fair. I wasn't happy about it, but he apologized at the end, so no harm done, except the lost position. Liam on lap 14. As you can see, nothing really happened. Still in P12, behind the guy in the number 16. Eventually, in the end, he got a very nice dive bomb, but the camera unfortunately went off, so Liam will eventually finish this race in P11. Myself, as you can see, last lap nothing really happened. I slightly gained to the guys in front, so the guy who shunted me off, and gained a lot of time on the guys in the back, and yeah, finishing in a lonely P16, which isn't bad, isn't really good, but yeah. So here we are in the in-lap. Actually, Klaus watching at the board to look at this position and shunting into the wall, which was funny to look at. So we all drove with the weight of 85 kilograms, so yeah, we have to weigh ourselves to confirm that we are not on our way.
Ja,
Fasion träumen haben auf der Tafel geguckt.
hab's gesehen.
So, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see more videos with the commentary, let me know in the comments. And yeah.
Watch you fall to your knees. Always present for the high roads. Go swim within the